Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be talking about some contractions using the word have. Now this is a very important video, so it's important to pay really close attention and make sure you know how to make these contractions as well as say them properly. If you can do that, you'll be sounding like a native speaker soon. Let's get started. Okay, I have a list of 10 contractions using the word have. And these are really important to pay attention to because they're very common. So I'm going to tell you each example twice. I'll say the first one slowly and the second one quickly, like a native speaker. So make sure you repeat after me for each one. First one, I have, I've never seen a ghost. I've never seen a ghost. Next, you have, you've. You've been a great help to me. You've been a great help to me. We have, we've. We've got a problem. We've got a problem. They have, they've. They've been so kind to us. They've been so kind to us. Could have, could have. We could have won the contest if we had tried harder. We could have won the contest if we had tried harder. Would have, would have. They would have stopped if someone told them. They would have stopped if someone told them. Should have, should have. She should have quit smoking earlier. She should have quit smoking earlier. Might have, might have. He might have gotten the job if he went to the interview. He might have gotten the job if he went to the interview. Who have, who've. I like people who've traveled a lot. I like people who've traveled a lot. Last one, there have, there've. There've been a few problems lately. There've been a few problems lately. Great! Good job, everybody. Let's move on. Let's listen to some dialogues and really listen carefully because these are going to help you know how to use and say contractions properly. Conversation 1. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Who have you invited to the party? I've invited all my friends and family. Conversation 2. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. He's got many health problems. He should have exercised more. Conversation 3. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Congratulations on your B+ in English. I could have got an A+ if I studied more. Conversation 4. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Why are your dogs so quiet? They've been sick recently. Conversation 5. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Susan doesn't reply to any text messages. She might have changed her number. All right, great job, everyone. Be sure to practice those contractions more and more in your everyday life as much as you can. And let me know how you're doing in the comments with everything. Keep on brushing up on your English and see you in the next video. Bye!